Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix snipping tool is not working or not opening error in Windows 11. First method is click Start, Settings. Click Windows Update, click Check for updates. Click Restart now. Second method is click Start, Settings. Click Windows Update. Click Windows Insider Program. Click Get Started. Click Link an account. Click Microsoft account. Click Release Preview. Click Continue. Click Start, Settings, click Windows Update. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.